Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and it's a little breezy today, so excuse the windiness up here. So today, I'm going to show you how to make a Juicy Lucy barbecue chicken sandwich. That's right. You know what a Juicy Lucy is with a hamburger, right? It's stuffed with cheese, sometimes onion. Well, this Juicy Lucy barbecue chicken sandwich has cheese and green chilies in the middle. So let me show you how I put this together. We'll cook it up. We'll come back. We'll do a taste test. Okay, so this is how easy this is. Like I said, this is a rotisserie chicken from Sam's Club. It cost $5. It was on sale. And what I'm going to add to it, Elizabeth was kind enough to shred this up for me. This is just a quick, cheap, easy meal. I'm going to put some Killer Hogs brisket rub in there. I think I've mentioned before that I like the thicker, coarse salt, pepper, and garlic and other spices. It's pretty flavorful stuff. It's always great in chicken, whether you're just going to do it like this or make chicken tacos out of it. But today we're doing what I'm calling is kind of like a Juicy Lucy version, usually made with hamburger, but I'm going to use shredded chicken and barbecue chicken. So I've got some Sweet Baby Ray's original, and I think I got about a half a cup left in this bottle. So I am going to add roughly a half a cup. If I need more, I'll add it. We'll see how this mixes in. I do have another bottle, of course. Let's see how good that is. Okay, just going to use my hands to mix it up. I will wash in between clips. Okay, I can tell right now I'm going to want more barbecue sauce, so let me get the other bottle. I'll add more. I'll be right back. Okay, so I ended up using probably about a cup of barbecue sauce. I got a pan with some parchment paper. So what I want to do now is just take a small handful of it. I'm going to make a little patty, and this is going to be the bottom patty, because what I'm going to do is I have some freshly grated mild cheddar cheese. And I'm going to put some cheddar cheese in here. Now I know when I'm cooking this, it's probably going to go out all over the place, but that's all right. Okay, and then, hey, this is Man Kitchen Recipes. If I didn't do this next step, I'd get questioned. So I'm going to add, I don't know, a tablespoon of Hatch green chili in the middle. Yes, barbecue chicken, Hatch green chili, cheddar cheese. Oh, yeah. Okay, I think I'm going to sprinkle just a little more cheese on top. Then I'm going to grab another handful, probably 3 or 4 ounces, 3 ounces probably. And then what I'm going to do with this, kind of flatten it in my hand a little bit. And then I'm going to put it over the cheese and the green chili and form it into a tight patty. That is going to, let's see, it's roughly going to be about the size of my buns. Okay, so I'm going to do a couple of these to get them out to the grill, the Blackstone griddle, and we're just going to toast these up. The chicken's done. All I'm going to do is kind of put a fry on top and bottom, let that cheese melt a little bit, and make a patty. Make a green chili stuffed chicken, barbecue chicken, Juicy Lucy. I'm not sure what they call it, but you'll see it in the title. Okay, I'm going to make another one and get it outside. For these Juicy Lucy barbecue chicken patties, I've got this fresh bun here, this fresh roll, and I'm going to put a little Dukes on it so I can toast it on the Blackstone. All right, I'm just going to toast up one bun. Got a little toast on that bun. Looking good. I'm just going to set these off here to the side where the griddle is warm. I think I'm going to add just a little bit of olive oil. Just a little bit. Olive oil for these chicken patties. Okay. Okay, I did kind of a 10-second smash there. Well, it doesn't need it, but just like you do with the smash burger, right? Like I said, these are already cooked. They shouldn't take too long. Let me get a little char on the bottoms, and then we'll flip it and do a char. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. So I'm going to set these to this side over here that's not quite hot, not as hot over here on the side, and let these just kind of heat up. All right, so I'm going to bring my bun back. I'm going to get this patty on here. It's nice and warm. Then I'm going to drizzle some more barbecue sauce on top. Yes. Juicy. Okay. All right, we'll take a taste of this. How easy was that? This is going to be messy because my patty is much larger than my bun. So here we go. Okay. This is just a different spin on just having a regular old barbecue chicken sandwich. Make a patty, stuff it with some cheese and some green chili. You don't have to use green chili, man. You could put onions or jalapeno peppers or whatever you want in the middle. You're going to have a squishy, gooey, barbecue-y mess. But hey, it tastes delicious. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Come back for more tasty videos. I hope you have a great day.